Hello and welcome back to KeallaRD. Let's start! Last time we was buying the Rode Wireless Go and a couple of days later there was bringing an update. That's why we decided to buy the new one and then the last one what you saw in the unboxing video back. So this time we want to show you the new Wireless Go 2.
Unboxing video version 2.
Yes. This time we're like a little bit more prepared than the last time where we was suffering so much. You wanna?
I always have to do a joke.
Yes.
Ha!
What is different this time? We have one receiver, two transmitter. That's better than the last time because now we have less equipment. What we need to prepare. That's why we decided to buy that one.
Fluffy balls.
Yes, you the fluffy balls. Look.
Let's stop.
Yes, and as you can see, we don't need to unbox so many things. That's why we will skip that and show you a little bit of the other one. And we will see how it looks like.
Fluffy balls.
Yes, you and your fluffy balls.
Fluffy balls.
Yeah. So, let's open it.
This time they put it inside right away.
That's cool.
I don't need to put it inside.
So much effort and it's hard to get open.
That's really true. They're not so smart with packaging.
Yeah, as you can see here, I have to destroy it. So what do we have this time? A big backpack for the things what we can use, and here, ta-da!
Wow, it's like 3 fluffy balls.
Yes.
I have one more. I have many things for you. Many fluffy balls.
And here you see two microphones and one receiver. Wow!
They're all fluffy. Now you want to test rate. They're all fluffy.
As you can see, less equipment this time.
Yeah, I like it. Smart packaging, less equipment, less things. And we'll check the quality with you
Yeah,
together.
of course.
And we'll see how is it different from the previous one. I guess I hope the quality is not worse than the previous one because we did some kind of changes.
Yeah.
Definitely. And they also have an app there.
Yes, that's pretty cool. You can this time decide the volume. You have 3 choices what you can do. Like put it lower, like -10. I was thinking digital like -20 and something between that. I'm not really sure now, but was something like that you have more option to do it like how you need that.
Yeah, you can adjust it to your taste.
Yes.
So let's check it out.
Exactly. So. See the difference before and now?
I hope you can hear it.
Yeah, we can switch to the other video when you want to compare it to see if you see any difference in the other wireless Go.
Yeah, I hope this one at least not worse than the previous one, and I'm glad that I don't have to shout anymore in order to be heard.
Yeah, me too. It was real when we started to do like editing the video. We was so surprised last time how it was.
Yeah, I hope this time it's not worse and we will be surprised again.
Yeah.
Yeah. It will be a pleasure for us to hear our voices.
And yeah, there's one thing what is really cool here. It's when you press once the button, you can mute one of the microphones. I didn't know how to do that, so we press it.
Okay, now you cannot hear Kevin. That's good. I'm the only one who is speaking, and thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and see you. Bye bye.